Hello everyone, and welcome to Cinematic Composition and Storytelling. My name is Francesco Guarini, and I'm a visual development artist and art director in the animation industry. In the next 2 hours, we're going to dive deep into composition. We're going to start by breaking down shots from cinema to understand what's behind a successful image. We'll deconstruct and analyze the lighting from those shots. Then, we're going to put everything together while I guide you through my process of creating black and white keyframe paintings from scratch using a combination of Photoshop and Blender. I'm very happy to have you here, and I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. Thank you.